Hi guys, so today's video is about this makeup look that I've created for Raksha Bandhan. So this makeup look is all about the skin and very nude on the lips and very nude on the eyes. It's a very simple makeup look since it's Raksha Bandhan and since we all will be at home. So I've created this simple yet a little glam and glowy look. So let's begin. So first we will go ahead and tie our hair so there's nothing on our face. Then we're going to use this plum face mist, which I'll go ahead and spray it on my face. This gives a nice base for your makeup to sit, and also your face looks very glowy. Now let this dry completely, and that's when we'll go ahead with the other process. So I just pat it with my fingers. Always clean your fingers, wash your hands and sanitize your hands before you touch your face or before you do makeup. So yeah, once we have patted this inside, now I'll be using this primer. This is a L'Oreal primer. I have mentioned all the details about the products in the description box below, so please check the description box below. So this once I apply the primer, I'll massage the primer in, and once that is done, then I'll go ahead and apply a moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm using is a Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm using a really heavy moisturizer so that the foundation and everything sticks. Once that is done, I'll be using the foundation. I'll mention the foundation details in the description box below. So yeah, it's a L'Oreal foundation. Now I'll go ahead and dot it with my fingers on my face, and then I'll go ahead and blend this moisturizer. So I'm dotting it completely on my face and my neck, and then I'll use a sponge to go ahead and blend my foundation. Now make sure that you give enough time to blend your foundation, because that's the key, and it takes it might take some time, so make sure you give it quite some time. So once that's blended, we'll go ahead and apply the concealer. We'll apply the concealer wherever we have dark spots, under the eyes and also around our lips, because we have most of the times there we have some pigmentation around our lips. So yeah, those are the areas I'm going to apply the concealer. I'll be blending the concealer with my fingers itself and not with the beauty sponge. I feel that fingers work really best when it comes to concealer. You can still use the beauty sponge as well. So now I'll go ahead and set the entire makeup with a powder, and so that it does not crack, like the concealer does not break in or crack. Now I'll go ahead and use a blush. This is a very beautiful blush that I have. It's from Faces. I'll mention everything below. So yeah, apples of our cheek. That's where we apply the blush. Apples of our cheek. So now trying to highlight our face, I'm using this Sivana highlighter, and I'll use a fan brush. Now today I'll be using this palette is very nice. You have multiple colors, but I'll be using the first color here, the first highlighter here. So yeah, I'll go ahead and apply the highlighter above my cheekbones. That's where you should apply it, or you should apply it on all the high points wherever light reflects. So when you stand under light, you need to see from which points light reflects on your face, and that's where you go ahead and apply your highlight. So once that's done, I'll go ahead and use the same highlighter for my eyes as well, but here I'll be mixing all the colors together. I'll mix all the colors together and then apply it on my eyes. I'll use it as an eyeshadow. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and use a kajal. I'll use a black kajal and very lightly, like near to my eyes, I'll go ahead and line it. I'll line it uniformly, and then once it's lined, I'll go ahead and smudge this kajal. This gives a nice effect to your eyes. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and line my waterline as well. So the bottom part, I'll go ahead and line it again. This I'll line it very lightly. So once I'm done lining my waterline, I'll go ahead and line it on the other eyes as well, and I'll do the same makeup on my other eye as well. So once we are done with that, we'll go ahead and curl our lashes and then go ahead and apply the mascara. So yeah, I've not been using mascara, or I've not been using any of this makeup for months now. So yeah, that's why I had to do this. I just warmed it up, and then yeah, now we'll go ahead and apply mascara. So now time for my brows. Now they are already very hideous. My brows have become very hideous because I've not tamed them for last 5 to 6 months, and I just don't feel like going to the parlor as well to do anything of this sort. So yeah, even on that crazy brows, I'll go ahead and do my brows so that they're less crazy. So for lipstick, I'll be using these two lipsticks. This is the Maybelline one, and the other one is the Miss Claire one. Both are in nude shades, so I'll mix these two today. So I'll go ahead and set all this with my face mist, which also acts as a setting spray, so that everything stays in place and for a longer time. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all the sisters and the brothers around the world. May you all have a very blessed Raksha Bandhan.